back. I got you there. We're shooting out of the east side of New York.
Yeah, I want to know. Look at that big radio out there. Look at that big radio out there around the sand pile. 462 wants to know.
To be honest with you, I like 8900 better too. Oh yeah, my friend here's got a brother. He's from Slap Out, Alabama there, right by you there.
Man, sounds like a... Hello, out there, radio land. Break. 153 New York, looking. Where? Night Stalker, you got a copy on 462 around the Keystone? How about that Night Stalker? 462 around the Keystone.
I'm going to hijack your receive. I'm going to hijack your receive right here, right now.
How about it?
13789 out there.
Waving. Night Stalker, 416. How about a man in the woods? How about a man in the woods? 153 New York, waving at you.
Don't you worry. I got your back. 513, have a good holiday. 789 Delaware, playing on my radio, bro.
601, 681. I got a copy on you around Pittsburgh. 601, 462 around the Keystone, man. Blowing smoke up. I got a 513, a 513, 153 New York. Looking at you. Hey, 601, it sounded good up here around Pennsylvania. 462 said that. Well, 10-4 on that there, 513. Hey, 513, I only wanted to wait. Wow, I gotta tell you, that put the meter all the way to the right. 513, you have a nice evening. 153 York, stepping back.
You said I'm still poking out the southeast corner.
How about that pork belly? How about that pork belly around a high?
15 years, I was just making a...
Bump on 513.
Looking to raise a little hell, no doubt about it. 511, skip shooter. 511, Flower City, downtown Rochester, New York, reading the mail.
Unit 16, Unit 16, 153 New York, looking at you.
Might have to turn the amp back on.
Hello, audio. I went forward swing.
Hey, Mr. Slingshot, don't get out of here so quick. That's 529 in the Carolinas, ringing your bell.
The old college time, we try to clean out your receiver. Your train receiver. IG 789
How about at 51? How about at 51, Mr. Clean? 153 New York, looking at you.
Chicken wings sneaking around.
awesome up there. That's just awesome down there, Mr. Radio Man. Hey, Mr. Radio Man, I got 30 on you. Hey, Mr. Radio Man, you have a fine evening. 153 New York, send back.
About that 445.
503.
How about I take 133 out for you and you won't have that problem no more. Good evening, please.
Hey, 513, I apologize. 153 New York, right back.
Hey, Radio Man, chicken wing, checking, right?
Bill says you got smoke there, Radio Man, the old papas. Hey, 445.
See you later there, 513, a man in the woods. 153 New York, send back.
Let's go. I like that, Radio Man. You tell me.
I'm a loud duck plucker? Wow, I can't believe you, 445. Man, I didn't get away from the radio long enough.
Yes, Radio Man, your Papa Smurf waving, I see ya. I hear you, Radio Man. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna shake a hand with him because me and him like to play back and forth all the time, man. All right, Radio Man, get up out your radio and let 153 get back at you. Yo, Papa Smurf around the Keystone, stand by.
Wow, that 445, he's a big gun tonight. That 445's a big gun. He's got all the nitro buttons down. 153 New York, send back.
Yeah, I need that over here, Radio Man.
445, 153 New York, appreciate you coming back. 153 New York, stand by.
I wanted to jump in and say, 445 still waving your way, 59. Got Radio Man, 445, Radio Man, 789, Holiday Wave.
You and yours have a merry and a happy new year. 153 New York, sitting back.
I'm going to take that call right here, right now. Hello, 55 in the band, 789.
I don't really make too much noise. Just your radio's hearing me. 153 New York. Out there around Missouri. 462.
Go 55 in the BAM, 789 Delaware Holler.
20 there.